Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss double hashing technique. Double hashing technique is another type of technique in open addressing. Okay, so in open addressing we have three types of collision resolution techniques. If you have not seen the previous two techniques, linear probing and quadratic probing, please watch those videos. So this is linear probing and quadratic probing. Okay, so now the third type of technique, this is double hashing. So linear probing is having a disadvantage of primary clustering. Quadratic probing is having the disadvantage of secondary clustering. Now we are going to discuss this double hashing. Why the name double hashing? The name double hashing specifies here to hash the values or to insert the elements. The second hash function is used. Another hash function is used in double hashing. That's why the name here it is called as double hashing. Now, generally, what is the hash function we will use? So, small h of key equal to key modulus hash table size. If collision occurs, then what shall we do? H of key equal to, if collision occur, capital H of key equal to small h of key plus I into hash 2, second hash function, hash 2 of key, hash 2 of key, this entire thing, and this is the entire mapping address, modulus hash table size, where I value 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, what is this hash 2 of key? Hash 2 of key. What is the second hash function we will use in double hashing? So, some prime number minus key modulus prime number, whatever we considered. This is the second hash function we will use in double hashing. What does it mean and what is this prime? So, prime means it is a prime number which is less than 10. For example, hash table size is 10. Less than 10 and which is near to 10. So, that means a new hash table size we have to consider, not new hash table. The prime number we have to consider here is 7. For example, your hash table size is 12. Then if collision occurred, we will use this second hash function now. Then what is the prime number we have to consider? It is less than 12. And near to 12, what is the prime number? 11. So this prime number we have to consider in the second hash function. This is the new hash function or the hash function used in double hashing. Okay, so let us solve this with an example. Now, consider an example. For example, the elements are 10, 21, 20, 41, 30 and 51. Suppose these are the elements we want to insert by using double hashing technique. So now, how can we insert the elements into the hash table? Consider the hash table. Assume our hash table size is 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, let us start with an example. Consider the numbers, example numbers. So first one is 10. So small h of 10 equal to 10 modulus 10, which is equal to 0. With the hash table size, in the problem they will give you what is the hash table size. If they have not given, then you consider your own hash table size. Based on that, you solve the problem. H size equal to 10. Okay. So 0th bucket. The element is inserted in 0th bucket. Now 10. Now second one is small h of 21 equal to 21 modulus 10, which is equal to 1. So 21 is inserted here. Next, third element, to insert 20. So now 20 modulus 10, which is equal to 0. What happened here? So here collision occurred. What shall we do if collision occur? Capital H of key equal to small h of key plus I into hash 2 of key modulus a hash table size, which is 10. Now we will calculate this hash 2 of key. Now h2 or hash 2 of key equal to, what is the prime number we will consider? 7. 7 minus, what is the key here? 20. 20 modulus 7. 7 minus 20 modulus 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So here we will get 20 minus 14. So it is a 6, which is equal to 1. So hash 2 of key equal to 1 we got. Now in this place we will substitute that 1. Okay. So now substitute those values here. Capital H of, what is the element? 20 equal to small h of key. What is the value of small h of key? 0 plus, consider I equal to 1. So 1 into hash 2 of key. What is hash 2 of key? 1. 1 modulus 10 equal to 1. Okay. But one first cell is also full. So collision occurred. So now what shall we do? Put I equal to 2. Then 0 plus 2 into 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 2. Second cell is empty. So insert 20 in the second bucket. Now after 20, what is the next element? 10 completed, 21 completed, 20 completed. Now 41. Consider the element 41. Fourth element, small h of 41 equal to 41 modulus 10, which is equal to 1. So now see what. So first cell, first bucket already here full. So collision occurred. Then what shall we do here? Hash 2 of key we will calculate. Hash 2 of 41 equal to 7 minus 41 modulus 7, which is equal to 7 minus 7 5s are 35. So here it is a 6 again, which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1 means here the same we will get. Okay. So 1. So H2. So that means if I equal to 1, then what shall we do? Put I equal to 1. I equal to 1. Capital H of 41 equal to small h of 41 is 1 plus 1 modulus 10. Why it is 1 plus 1? Small h of key is 1. 1 into hash 2 of key is 1. So 1 into 1, which is equal to 1, 2. Second bucket is also full. Then what shall we do? We will take I equal to 2. H of 41 equal to I small h of 41 2 into 1. So modulus 10, which is equal to 3. So the next element is inserted here. So 41 is inserted in third bucket. Okay. So now I want to take off. I will solve here. It is easy. So next element is 30. 30 means fifth element. Fifth element, the small h of 30 equal to 30 modulus 10, which is equal to 0. 0th bucket is full. So what happens here? So collision occurred. Then hash 2 of key you have to calculate. That means hash 2 of 20 equal to 7 minus 30 modulus 7 equal to 7 3s are 21. So see what happens here. H2 of key equal to So 7 minus 7 is the prime number. What is the key we want to insert? 30. So 30 modulus 7. So 30 modulus 7. 7 minus 7 4s are 28. Here it is 2. So 5. So I equal to 1. Then capital H of 30 equal to small h of 30 is 0 plus I value 1. 1 into 5. So modulus 10, which is equal to 5. So in the fifth cell, the element 30 is inserted. So 30 is also completed. Now the next one is 51. So here I am solving sixth element. Small h of 51 equal to 51 modulus 10, which is equal to 1. Capital H of 51 equal to, we have to calculate hash 2 of 51 first. Hash 2 of 51 equal to 7 minus 51 modulus 7. 7 sevens are 49. So 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So put I equal to 1. Capital H of 51 equal to small h of key, that is 1 plus I into means 1 into 1 into what is hash 2 of key? 5 modulus 10. 5 into 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 modulus 10 6. So 51 is inserted in sixth bucket. So like that the elements are inserted in double hashing. What is the difficulty in double hashing is, so complexity here it is. So you have to calculate the second hash function. That is only the disadvantage of this double hashing. We are overcoming the problem of secondary clustering. That's okay. But here what is the problem we are getting? Calculation of secondary hash function. So which takes time for performing the operations. So hope you understand, students. Okay. So now take another example. We will take another example. Example 2. For example, the elements are now 12, 36, 41, 23. For example, these are the elements I want to insert. With the hash table size as usual 10. Hash table size is 10. So hash table size is 10. Then use double hashing to insert the elements into the hash table. So now hash table size is 10. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us start finding the mapping address. So now first one, h of 12 equal to 12 modulus 10, which is equal to 2. So 12. Next one, h of 36 equal to 36 modulus 10, which is equal to 6. So 36. Next, h of 41 equal to 41 modulus 10, 1. 41. Next, h of 23 equal to 23 modulus 10, which is equal to 3. Till now there is no collision. Now for example, I want to insert like 22. Now h of 22 equal to 22 modulus 10, which is equal to 2. So collision occurred. If collision occurred, what shall we do? Hash 2 of 22 we have to calculate. How to calculate? 7 minus 22 modulus 7, which is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. So then put I equal to 1. Capital H of 22 equal to small h of 22 is, here it is 2. 2 plus h2 of 22. I value 1 no. So 1 into 6 modulus 10. That is 2 plus 6 modulus 10, which is equal to 8. So in the 8th bucket, the element is inserted. Last element, one more we will try. That is like 42. So next element, h of 42. h of 42 equal to 42 modulus 10, which is equal to 2. Collision occurred. Then what shall we do? h2 of 42. h2 of 42 is 7 minus 42 modulus 7. 7 minus 42 modulus 7. How much is 7 5s are 35? 7 6s are 42. So which is nothing but 7. So capital H of 42 equal to, put I equal to 1. Small h of 42 is 2. 2 plus 1 into h2. 7 modulus 10. Which is nothing but 9 modulus 10. So it is 9. So 42 is inserted here. So like that, the elements are inserted in double hashing. Hope you understand, students. So in the next video, we will discuss rehashing technique. What is the use of that rehashing? We will discuss in that video. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.